Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 8. I hope you are all fine. So open textbook and page number 24 to 25. 24 to 25. Page 4 to 25. Okay, exercises. Okay, I think you are all ready. Yes, okay. So now today our work to solve the exercises in revision. Page number 24 to 25. Now beta, more practice with adverbs. I have already learned to you adverb and its kinds. First of all, what is an adverb? Do you know? Answer this question. No? Okay, don't worry, I will tell you in orally. An adverb modifies the verb, an adjective and other adverbs are a preposition. पुट ज़रफ़ कम में जेको कम हूंदो आहे उन में इज़ाफ़ो कंदो आहे, या ज़रफ़ पुट जेका सिफ़त हूंदी आहे एडजेक्टिव उन में इज़ाफ़ो करे थो, या ॿियनि एडवर्बनि में ऐं या त प्रीपोजिशन में बि पुट कीअं मीन्स शी रन्स ही रन्स ही डुके थो. सिंपल फ्रेज सेंटेंस ही रन्स क्विकली, ही रन्स फास्टली, ही डुके थो तेज़ तेज़. कमु कहिड़ो थो करे पुट? डोड़ण जो. कीअं थो डोड़े? फास्ट. त फास्ट छा थियो पुट? मॉडिफाई कई वर्ब में. सो नाउ पेज नंबर 24, more practice with adverbs. Adverbs are often found at the end of the sentence. अक्सर करे adverbs जेके हूंदा आहिनि पुट उहो जुमिले जे लास्ट में असांखे मिलंदा आहिनि. Now he did his work carefully. हिन पंहिंजो कमु कयो carefully. Now बेटा I will write he did his work carefully. Example, he did his work carefully. So this is an adverb. Verb. Modify the work. He did his work. हिन पंहिंजो कमु कयो. कमु त कई पर कमु कहिड़े वे में कयईं, कहिड़े तरीक़े जो कयईं? केयरफुली कयईं, ध्यान सां कयईं. त केयरफुली मॉडिफाइज द वर्क. ओके, नाउ I went there yesterday. She is going away. Okay, some very common adverbs are often placed before the verb. We sometimes see him placed. Common adverbs. Second point, common adverbs placed before the verb are often placed before the verb. As example beta, we sometimes see him. We sometimes see him. And other, she usually helps me. She usually helps me. Now beta look, Some common adverbs are often placed before the verb. Before the verb. Before means पहिरियां अॻ में. ठीक आहे पुट या अॻियां. So we sometimes see. See is a verb. Sometimes adverb. So before the verbs. Now help verb and usually adverb. Okay, now exercise A. Okay beta, look, exercise A. Exercise A. Add the adverbs and adverb phrases to the sentences. The first one of the pair goes before the verb and second at the end of the sentence. The first one of the pair goes before verb, and the second at the end of the sentences. She comes here. Example beta. Exercise A, first. She comes here. Adjective never and now. So the first pair goes before the verb. Goes before the first adverb means she never comes here and last and second end of the sentence. Okay, before the verb adverb, right beta? And second they paid us a visit. They paid us a visit. They paid us a visit. Now often last year. Adverbs is often, second and last year. So first you write before the verb and second end of the sentence means they often paid us a visit last year. Now number third, some animals sleep. Some animals sleep. Some animals sleep. Adverbs always or often. Always in the daytime. First always and second in the daytime. Okay. Some animals always, in this sentence verb is sleep. So first use before the verb. Some animals always sleep, and second in the daytime. Okay. Now number 4. Number 4. He has a rest. He has a rest. I think usually in the afternoon. Usually say first, second, in the afternoon. Okay. So he has a usually rest in the afternoon. Okay, now he has usually a rest. Now number 5. Number 5. My brother has his lunch. Now she gets better. Adverbs are always, after a, they are to. Always, after a, they are to. So now she always gets better, after a, they are to. So other examples, remaining exercise you will solve yourself. Now page number 25. When the verb is one of the simple tenses of to be, these adverbs are placed after it. He is never early. He was always right. Add the adverbs to the sentences. This book is borrowed. This book is never borrowed. He is pleased with our work often. He is often pleased with our work. He was ready to help other people always. She was always ready to help other people. Number 4. The teacher was late. Hardly ever. The teacher was hardly ever late. Number 5. It is very hot in April. Sometimes. It is sometimes very hot in April. Number 6. We are tired by the end of the day. We are usually tired by the end of the day. Number 7. My mother is glad to see my friends. Always. My mother is always glad to see my friends. Number 8. I was surprised by anything he did. I was never surprised by anything he did. Number 9. Even after she had a rest, she was unable to walk. Even after she had a rest, she was unable to walk. There is anyone in school before 7 o'clock. There is never anyone in school before 7 o'clock. Now, when the verb consists of more than one word, these adverbs are placed after the first word. Means I have always believed in speaking the truth. I have always believed in speaking the truth. You are never working when I call at your house. Add the adverbs to the sentences. He is whistling. Whistling. Seti putra vajan. He is always whistling. I have been here before. I have never been here before. He has praised my painting often. He has often praised my painting. Okay. Number 4. I have seen him wearing a tie. I have hardly ever seen him wearing a tie. Number 5. I have posted a letter to him. I have just posted a letter to him. Number 6. When I arrived, the show had started. When I arrived, the show had just started. When he gets home, his brother is waiting. When he gets home, his brother is usually waiting. Number 8. We shall meet again. We shall never meet again. Number 9. He said that he would remember us. He said that he would always remember us. Whenever I saw him, he was riding a bicycle. Always. Whenever I saw him, he was always riding a bicycle. Okay. Now beta, exercise ABC. We have finished. And the adverbs. Once again, I will orally tell you. Adverb modifies a verb. Adjective and other adverbs are a preposition. Okay. मीन्स एडवर्ब ज़रफ़ वो आहे जो मॉडिफाई करे तो कम के, सिफ़त के, ॿियनि ज़र्फ़नि के ऐं प्रेपोजिशन के. ठीकु बाबा. एंड माना उनखे रखण जूं पुट एडवर्ब कंहिं टाइम अॻियां थो अचे, विच में थो अचे, लास्ट में थो अचे. ठीकु आहे पुट. छाकाणि त मॉडिफाइज़ कंहिं में एडवर्ब खे थो करे, ॿियनि एडवर्ब खे थो करे, वर्बनि खे थो करे, या सिफ़तुनि खे थो करे पुट, या प्रेपोजिशन खे. सो हियर 4 exercises ABC we have solved. And page number 29 beta. Words and their work. Words and their work. Open page number 29. Usually a word has a different form for different kinds of work. Look at the following sentences. He took great care. Now in the sentence care is a noun. Care is a noun. He was a careful worker. Careful is an adjective. छाकाणि त डोरा माना सब्जेक्ट जी खूबी तो ॿुधाए. He worked carefully an adverb. He did not care. Care is a verb. As you see, however, the noun in the first sentence is the same as the verb in the last, care. This is true of many verbs that we often use. For each word, make up 2 sentences using the word first as a verb and then as a noun. She answered quickly. Answered is a verb. She gave the right answer. Right answer is a noun. मथे एग्जाम्पल में पुट आंसर छा हो असांजो वर्ब एंड हेठे में छा आंसर असांजो नाउन. Everyone was looking at him. Looking verb. Everyone wanted to have a look. Noun. Smile, help, walk, rest, try, work, rain, polish, sleep, many more words. Verbs we use. First you use verb and second noun. Now for each B, exercise B, for each word make up 2 sentences using the word first as an adjective then as a verb. Very simple. When we record verb, sometimes we make a record noun of it. When we protest verb, we make a protest noun. Very simple, beta, you will read yourself, and tomorrow I will meet you, new topic or new lesson. So thank you so much, wish you best of luck.